This is Ujjwal Kumar Sen, and in this video tutorial we are going to learn about Sommerfeld number. As you know, this is one of the most important number in case of if you are studying bearing in machine design. Well, in this tutorial I'm not going to share with you how to derive equation and all that, but basically my motto and my intention to let you solve problems asked in GATE previous year in this topic only. So are you ready to solve that numerical problem? I hope so you are ready, right? So for solving numerical problem, what is the first thing we require? That is formula, right? So what is the formula for Sommerfeld number? Now we denote Sommerfeld number by S, and formula for finding out Sommerfeld number is equal to R by C. What are these things? I will share with you. Mu N by P. Okay, so what is R? Basically it's radius, C is radial clearance, CLE clearance, okay, and mu is viscosity, and that is dynamic viscosity. I must say that dynamic viscosity. N is RPS, means revolution per second. This S stand for second. And P is pressure, that is bearing pressure. So these are the things you need to know in case of Sommerfeld number if you wanted to find out Sommerfeld number quite easily. Okay, so this is all about the Sommerfeld number. Now within 2 minutes you came to know what is what is the formula for finding out Sommerfeld number. All right, so according to this formula we can find out number, that is one more thing, this number is unitless. Okay, as the statement said Sommerfeld number, that means of course unitless. Number is always unitless. 1 2 3 4, they don't have any units, right? So Sommerfeld number, these 1 2 3 4 or even numbers don't have units, so that's why Sommerfeld number is dimensionless. And we are putting this formula, we'll put this formula according to the question, we'll get the answer. Well, the same question asked in GATE previous year, right? So let's go for that question. Here is the question. I hope you can read the question, right? Okay, it's a very good camera of 21 MP. So megapixel. All right, so why I'm sharing with megapixel? Because there is a confusion in this question with megapascal. I will share with you. So basically natural feed journal of bearing diameter is this. So let's write first. Diameter is equal to 50 mm of that bearing, that's why radius would be 25 mm. If I'll convert into SI unit, then 25 multiple 10 to the power 3 minus 3 meter. Length L is equal to 50 millimeter, that means 50 multiple 10 to the power 3 meter. Operating at this much speed, N is equal to 20 RPS. That's cool because we have to get in RPS, or not RPM. Carries load of this, that's why load, let's say force is equal to 2 kilonewton, that means 2 multiple 10 to the power 3 Newton. Lubricant used whose viscosity is 20, this one is small m, millipascal second. That means mu is equal to 20 multiple 10 to the power minus 3 Pascal second. Pascal means Newton per meter is square. Now radial clearance, that I have already shared with you. What is radial clearance? That is C. C is equal to 50 multiple 10 to the power minus 3 micro 6. Okay, now this is simple question, and this question asking, if I am not wrong, then in 2007 or 2007 they have asked this question in 2007 GATE previous year question. These days I am solving, and of course I hope and I am sure you are getting lot of help from my videos. If you are getting help from my videos, then share with your friends, that's why they can also get help from my videos. And if you haven't subscribed till my channel, then subscribe now. You will get all notification related to my new videos on your own dashboard only. Okay, YouTube dashboard, nothing where nowhere else. So it's all about the question, and what we have to find out basically in this question, S is equal to what, that is what is the value of Sommerfeld number we have to find out in this question, right? So what are you waiting for? Let's go for it. Let's write the formula first. S is equal to R by C whole square, R by C whole square multiple mu n by P. Now here is the problem probably we'll face. What is P? As I have shared with you, P is pressure. So we don't have given pressure. So for finding out Sommerfeld number, we have to get pressure. So what is pressure? Basically force by area. What is force? We have given, that is 2 multiple 10 to the power 3. Force is also known as load, right? Now this is A. A means area. So area would be length into diameter. That means L multiple D. So capital D here. So 2 multiple 10 to the power 3. L is 50 multiple 10 to the power minus 3. D is 50 multiple 10 to the power minus 3. Again I am converting both the term into SI unit system from that one is mm, so we have to convert that into SI unit system. So 2 multiple 10 to the power 3 division 50 multiple 50 multiple 50 into 10 to the power minus 6, because 10 to the power minus 3 1 is there, and another one also 10 to the power minus 3 is there. So we'll do like this. So what we got basically here, if 8 lakhs Pascal, Newton per meter square or Pascal. What we got? Pressure. This bearing pressure is 8 lakh Pascal, right? From the from the data they have given, from this data only you can find out its pressure, bearing pressure. Now what we will do, we'll just put values according to the question they have given, then we will solve it by using what? By using calculator. So let's go for it. What is R? Basically radius. So 25 multiple 10 to the power minus 3. C is where? Radial clearance. 50 multiple 10 to the power minus 6. It's square. What is mu? Basically mu is viscosity. It's 20 into 10 to the power minus 3. What is N? RPS, that is 20. And P is 8 lakh. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. So there is nothing, there is nothing problem creating things right now remaining. We don't have anything which will create problem, just we need to solve. One more thing I would like to share with you, probably will make mistake there, that is this square. Don't forget this one. You can make mistake here in square. Probably you'll be in hurry and you are having this much term, probably you will lose, you will leave this, and again you will get, if you are preparing for GATE, then you know you are not going to get this one. This calculator you are not going to get, so you are going to get online calculator. So there, this one probably you have practiced a lot by using this calculator, then you will face problem to use that calculator, right? So let's go for it. So we will use here this calculator only, right? So this one 25 multiple 10 to the power minus 3 division 50 multiple 10 to the power minus 3. So what we got basically, we have to divide again 10 to the power minus 3, because 10 to the power minus 6 is there. So the 500 square 25 2,50,000 multiple 20 multiple 20 multiple 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, multiple 8 lakh 10. So what we got basically, don't try to do things like I am doing. Okay, so always focus. Okay, so it's 0.125. So Sommerfeld number for this question is 0.125. So what you have learned basically, let's check the options we have given A, B, C, D. Which one is right for us? Just mark that. I hope you can do that. I think you don't need you don't need my help. So option D is the right answer for this question. So what we have learned from this video total, that is about Sommerfeld number. Sommerfeld number is one of the most important number. Based on that number we can come to know about the bearing and all that, right? So that is not required, almost not required in case of competitive examination just like GATE, because in GATE 80% chance you are going to get numerical problems. So what you have to do, solve 80% numerical problems, 20% derivation and other applications, right? So what is the formula? S is equal to R by C whole square mu n by P. Always get confused here only, what is P? So P, remember its unit is Newton per meter square. Pascal, that means pressure. This is Pascal, and we always will confuse this in RPM. Don't write RPM here. Write always RPS. These are two things those are most important to learn here and implement. That's why you will get right answer in the examination. So thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video. Taught well. Bye bye.